One quiet evening, a boy found an old pocket watch on his desk, even though it had never been there before. The moment he touched it, time completely stopped. When he turned the watch backward, the past came alive around him. When he turned it forward, he saw a future version of himself, happy and confident. Then time split into three paths: past, present, and future. He realized the watch didn't want a choice. It wanted understanding. So he closed the watch and let time move again. And before disappearing, the watch reminded him that every moment matters.